Life is like a Rubik's Cube. God created us perfect. We can see the beauty of life in every angle. God made everything in perfect harmony. But when the sin came into humanity, it starts to change. It has been distorted. Every twist of life, every moves, every wrong decision in our life will result in much greater problem. And we don't know how to fix it. We are losing hope. Sometimes we are continually doing our own moves without any clear direction. We're trying to find solution by our own, how to escape in situations that we have, and came into the point that we want to quit and just give up. We have our own puzzle in life. Sometimes it is easy to solve, sometimes it isn't. Like a Rubik's Cube, it is hard to solve. But once you know the secret, it will be as easy as can be. And thanks be to God, for God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish, but have eternal life. God's plan is to bring us back to Him, to experience once more the beauty and the true purpose of life. Although we are living in this world that is full of trials, problems, and sufferings, He promised that He will never leave us nor forsake us. It is true that life is complicated. And like a Rubik's Cube, once you know the pattern, when you know its sequence, when you know the algorithm, solving the cube is no longer difficult at all. Every moves, twist will lead us in the right pattern when we allow Jesus to play with us. Just remember, in every trials and in every problems, Jesus is more than enough. He will fix us and make us whole again. He will make us complete again, as He touched all areas of our life. He will give the true beauty and meaning of life. In John chapter 10, verse 10, it says, "The thief comes only to steal and kill and destroy. But Jesus have come that we may have life and have it to the full." To God be the glory.